Hello, I'm Jeremie Kasongo, founder of Global Enviro-Action. Our experience with FasterCapital has been very positive. The team was professional, responsive, and supportive throughout the process. We especially appreciate the guidance provided by Mr. Ashen and the FasterCapital team. Their investor feedback and strategic supports help us strengthen our fundraising strategy and improve our investor readiness. We highly recommend Foster Capital to startups seeking growth and funding opportunities. Thank you.